You can visit our shop when you have uploaded enough ducats on your personal account. If you point your mouse at our shop page, it scrolls down automatically. If you get into our store, you can choose any of the books you like. By clicking on it, you can see a detailed description of the book, and you will be able to download the promotional PDF version at the same time. And if you want to get that book anyway, you can add it to your cart. Coaches. By clicking on the menu Coaches, you will see the price per hour and the language sections. Based on that piece of information, you can decide who you want to work with. When you have chosen your favorite trainer, you can see the details of that particular coach, his results, the language he speaks, and the cost of the tuition.